Hello everyone, I'm glad to have you in class today. So it's another practical session, and today we're going to just have fun. We want to learn how to insert images, shapes and smart art. Trust me, you will enjoy this. Moreover, we've covered this in Microsoft Word and in PowerPoint, so it's more like a revision. I will be using a blank worksheet to do that. So whenever you want to add a shape, a picture or anything, you always use the insert tab. You use the insert tab. So you need to first click on insert. So let's begin with smart art. I have clicked on insert. Now I have to choose smart art. Okay, so smart art contains several graphics that you can use to represent your steps, processes, or any data. It allows you to represent data in graphical form, and it's more catchy. The information that you're trying to send out becomes more understandable. So instead of using bullets, using numbers to write steps or processes, you could use the smart art. So this is what I mean. Maybe I want to write the steps for doing something. Okay, I could just come over, select one of these. Let's work with process for today. And then I want to write the process of doing something. Okay, let's choose this. Oh, let's take this one. So whatever you've chosen, you click on OK. And then you add the text, you edit it. Whatever step you want to write. Maybe you want to write the steps that a child, or the stages a child undergoes before he or she starts working. So first, the child learns how to sit. That's the first thing. So the next thing, the child learns how to crawl. Lastly, the child learns how to stand. So instead of using numbers, number 1, number 2, number 3, smart art helps us to do that in a more attractive way. Okay, so that is all about smart art. There are so many things you can do. There are so many. In fact, we cannot exhaust this list today. Feel free to explore it. So let's quickly look at shapes. We want to add shapes. So on your insert tab, you have to select shape and then pick any shape that you want. Okay, I've chosen this shape and it came with a default color. If the color is not okay by you, you could come to shape fill and select any color you want to use in filling your shape. If you want to give it an outline, you want to give it a border, you could come over, select the border type and select the color for the border. Okay, so we can do so many things too with this. Let's also assume you have some images that you downloaded from the net on your system and you want to insert them, okay, in your presentation. So still on your insert tab, you click on images. So when you click on images, you need to locate that particular file or that image. Maybe you saved it in a folder or anywhere. Just you need to locate it. So I'm going to be working with a folder called images. So that's the name of the folder that I saved the images I want to use. I'll open the folder by double clicking. Then I'll choose the image that I want. So I have chosen this image. This is how we insert images. We can do so many things to this image. For instance, we can add a border to it. We can change a lot of things about it. So this is it. And maybe we want to insert more than one image at a time. So it's the same thing. All you need to do is click on all the images that you want to insert. Highlight them and then select insert. They all get inserted. So you need to just manually select position them. You need to manually place them where they should be kept, and that's how we play around it. I used fruits because I know you like fruits. All right, class, thank you. See you in our next class. Bye.